Hey guys, come here for a second. I want to show you something you wouldn't normally see. This is like one of the suites here, isn't it, Nate?
Yeah.
Come on, Nate and I kind of got into the suite. We're not supposed to be here, but this one. Come on with me. I'll show you. Matter of fact, they're doing it too right now. Come on with me. This is pretty amazing. Hey, they got a little kitchen right here. Look at this. Beautiful. Got the nice countertops here. Granite looks like, right? All stainless.
Yep.
Yeah, I guess someone's actually looking at it. We're going to spy on it.
Let's sneak into the other side.
And they've got a room right here. This is like, it's not this one room, it's not like a hotel room.
So this is what they call a walk-off. You can get one suite on one side and you can get one bedroom on the other. So it's 2 bedrooms all together. So there's a full kitchen over on this side.
Wow, look at this. Look at this. We got a bar here. Can you see yourself, seriously, can you see yourself down here? You can do this, right? You can do this. If you get your business going, you can do this. Check this stuff out. This is beautiful.
Yeah, all marble tops.
You have big heavy doors. You want a heavy door, don't you? Everybody needs a heavy door.
You got your own bathroom. You got marble.
Marble bathroom. Coming in here to the bathroom. I don't normally bring people in the bathroom with me, but for you guys, I'm going to do this. Nate's going to take a shower. So check this out. Look at this beautiful countertop and all here. And you can have this. I mean, literally, you can have this and get your business going. It's not that hard. Come on over here. They got a dining room.
Yep.
There's people that don't have houses this nice, but you can have this. You just got to get your business going. That's it. You can have this. They got a little living room here.
You've got a Murphy bed, so you got the kids.
Have you ever seen one of these guys?
These things are super cool.
Look how many people you could put in here.
They can sleep. We put our kids on this when we come.
Oh, wow. That is amazing. There's still more rooms, and we haven't even been together half yet, so come on. Let's check this out. And look at this. The ocean, right? The pool right out here. Nice TV, big screen TV. Oh my God, we haven't got to the bedroom yet. Check this out, guys. Look at this.
The master suite.
Can you see yourself on this right here? Right? Got the little tray, breakfast in bed. Why not you? Seriously, why not you? Why is the people staying here any different than you? They're not. Bottom line is you're not. Matter of fact, some of them are probably not as smart as you, but they did something, and that's the big difference. What do we got out here?
We've got a super balcony, patio, overlooking the pools.
Oh my God, check that out, guys. Check that out. Infinity pool. Looks like you're gonna fall off the edge there, doesn't it?
Infinity pool right out to the ocean.
It just sparkles. And you know, if you're living your life and you're in some job that you don't like, and you're not enjoying what you're doing, why aren't you here? I was just talking to your wife about that. Why aren't you here? We don't find you here. We have looked everywhere for you. I can't find you.
So if one of you wakes up early,
check
you
this
can
out.
get up and go do some breakfast and kick around. And
There's another bathroom back here, but we don't want to disturb these people here, so we'll wait a second until they take a look at it. It's really cool, because we already went to the one bathroom where they got the shower and all that. This one's got a huge tub.
Twice a day, maybe service to go to Walmart.
And they even have a maid service. You don't even have to clean this stuff up.
No.
Imagine that.
Every day they clean it up for you.
Imagine that. You get up, somebody else does all the work for you, and you just chill. Hey, you could work with your business owner. That's what I'm doing. This is work for me.
Yep.
This is work for me.
Yeah.
It's crazy, right?
Tax
Come here.
deductible.
Let me check this out. Big sliding doors here. Got a nice vanity area here for you ladies. There's your nice vanity area right there.
Very clean facilities.
Beautiful stuff, right? Look at this. Check this
Marble,
out.
everything.
Nate's got one of these.
Yep.
Why don't you?
We've got a penthouse.
Why don't you have one?
It's amazing.
Why not you? There's just no reason. It's not that hard. Don't tell yourself it's hard. Don't tell yourself you can't do this. You got to stop that. If you stop that mentality, you're going to be down here with me. Why not?
This is great for your relationships too. Like this literally saved my marriage and the relationship with my kids.
How about that?
I was working all the time. I was working, never took any vacations. When we bought here, the commitment was, okay, we're gonna be here twice a year on vacation, no work, sit down the phone, we'd work for 1 hour in the morning and 1 hour at night, and then we would just spend time with each other the rest of the day.
How about that, guys? Why not you? I'm looking, let's see if I find you in the other room. There's one more room I want to show you, and I don't know if you'll be in there, so let's see. Let's check it out. I'm stealing your line, how about that? You aren't down here, where are you? Right? I'm asking them, where are you?
Yeah,
right?
yes, absolutely. This is, they like to say here, welcome home.
Yeah, welcome home. All right, so let's check it. This is the door we went in before, I think.
Yep,
Yeah.
that's it.
And this shuts off to the rest of the place. And we haven't even shown you this. This is one place. Well, some of you don't have houses this big. Let me check this out.
Self-closing drawers over there. Just they didn't skip on anything. HKS.
Beautiful. Very nice. All right, so check this out, guys. Another one of the big beds, right? You could sleep in a different bed every night. How about that? You know, just pick a bed. Doesn't matter. It just doesn't matter. Check this out. Another dining room here. Look at this crown molding up here. Okay, all the way around. It's beautiful. And you can have this. This could be you. I keep looking for you and I don't see you here.
This is
Why
actually
not?
way more affordable than an all-inclusive we stayed at.
These people aren't worried about affording anything. They're going to be so wealthy.
That's, you know, if you're a deal guy like me, you want to.
He wants a deal. Nate always wants a deal. All of us marketers, we always want a deal.
Always want a deal. We paid $7,000 to stay at a place up the road a little ways. It's trash compared to this place. Way more affordable on a weekly basis. Way more affordable.
All right, one more thing I want to show you is this balcony out here, guys. Because at the end of the day, this is where you end up. Sitting out here on a lounge, looking out over the ocean, with your lap, looking out over the ocean, doing just a little bit of work and enjoying yourself. You got one life, one life. Now, if you don't have one product, I know where you can get one. Go to jrfisherbook.com. That's jrfisherbook.com. And you guys listening to this, do me a favor, type it in the comments there. Just type in www.jrfisherbook.com. I would really appreciate you doing that. Do you have comments that are coming up on there? No?
Someone's asking, where are we?
Where are we? Well, we got to answer them.
We are in
Cabo San Lucas. It's beautiful. We just got off a cruise ship. It is the Carnival Splendor. I had to think of it for a second. But this is not it. We're going to leave here. We're going to go to Mazatlan, and we're going to go to Puerto Vallarta. And I'm here to tell you, 10 years ago, when I was working on a job, I couldn't do this. They wouldn't let me have this amount of time off, let alone, you know, come down here or be able to afford to come down here. And it's all because I went online, and I want to share all that with you. But the only way I can share that with you is if you grab some of this information, grab my book, invest $5.60, not a lot of money. Go to jrfisherbook.com. And if you guys would just type that in there, whoever's listening to this, doesn't matter if this is live, it doesn't matter, you know, if you watch this a week later, a month later, whatever, you're going to be helping people out. And if you would also do one other favor for me, like the video, put some comments in there. And here's how this comment thing works. In case you're wondering why I want you to do this, the more comments you put in there, the more interaction this video has. The more interaction this video has, guess what? More people get to see it. Facebook shows it to more people, so you're actually helping people out. So if you want to help people, if you want to help your friends, you want to help your family, and you want to help other people out there, share the video. Guys, I really appreciate you listening. Don't forget to go to www.jrfisherbook.com, grab that book, and I will see you real soon. One last view here. Sam says, no, we're not done. We've got to show more. It's too beautiful. It's just too beautiful. It's awesome, guys. Imagine yourself there, sitting in one of those chairs. Imagine. It'd be nice, right? Very cool.